Hey guys, how's it going? Let's go over Bitcoin. Let's go over the prediction that I've been calling here. You guys saw in the last video I came out with that I was predicting that Bitcoin would be going down. I will be going over this chart today. I want to cover this. Here's what I want to really do on this chart today is talk to you guys about how can you get into the best position like today, like on this video. What are the best positions to get into right now to be able to take advantage of this if it does crash? And if it actually does start shooting up and continue to go. Now, this absolutely has a chance that it could keep going up to top, peaks and we could move up. I don't think, as mentioned on the last video, I don't think we're going to skyrocket up to 50,000 by the end of the week. I mentioned that in yesterday's video. I don't think that's possible. I do think we see more of a move down here and a bigger chance of it heading down with divergence on the price versus the well money flow, the divergence on the trend exhaustion. Even the metrics in here, if you guys look at those, the metrics are showing we're pointing up to the greedy section in the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times we've done that. We've actually seen a drop down in the market. Now, I'm going to go over these metrics real quick, but then I really want to show this to you guys on here of how I'm using this website, tradeconfident.io, to enter into trades. And what you can do literally right now is watching this video, you can enter into this and I'll give you guys all the buy limits that you can enter into to help you get in right now and give you good positions if we drop or even if we go up. So I'm going to give you, basically, it doesn't matter if we go up or down. I'm going to give you the best case scenario to make money in this today, okay? Something I don't normally do. Long and short trades, we are seeing that long trades are dropping out of the market. Make sure you guys watch this. It will be updating here in an hour at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. It's currently 7:03. All right, long trades are dropping out. When long trades drop out and price moves up, this means this is usually a time where you see the price move back down. It doesn't sustain itself. When you see price structure moving up, guys, and you see long trades moving out of the market, that's when you get really big drops, okay? It's just... Does that make sense, guys? You can't have long trades decreasing and the price moving up. What is going to keep it going up? Not short trades for sure. So just make sure you're aware of that and watching that metric. Long versus short trade risk. If you're looking at the risk, obviously this is extremely, extremely high over here, and we're definitely due for a drop. If you look in the past when we've got up into this red zone, it was like, all right, yeah, we definitely dropped. This basically put us into the whole bear market cycle that we're currently in. Taking a look at the well and institutional smart money, this is something I've not seen for a while. This is pumping so hard down to the short trade side, and if you just look at historical data, like, let me make this comment, guys. If this thing actually blasts up to 50,000, doesn't drop down at all, this will be the best wrong call anybody could ever make. Please hear that again. Like, if this thing does blast up and it just keeps going to $50,000, $60,000 and doesn't see any type of, healthy retracement here, it will be the best wrong call I have ever made and you guys have ever agreed on ever on this channel. Like 97% of you guys, 92% of you guys are like, yes, we think this is going to happen. I do believe, and I'm not changing my theory on this whatsoever, I do believe there is a healthy higher low that needs to be formed on here before we see another healthy move back up. But with all of these metrics in here, we have to go off past data. This is looking really good for a move down here. We saw a move down there. We also see the accumulation where we hit the all-time high and we started seeing moves down. And we saw this happen over here where we basically blocked this out on the short trade sentiment, could not go any higher, and it dropped right back down again. Okay, let's take a look at the support resistance prices. Basically, we're waiting for another one to be formed because it's so stinking high right now. And, obviously we did get this drop down. So I'm waiting for this to actually update for the metrics. The dollar cost average entries, you guys know this. Any of you guys who bought in here, you made money. Give me a second. I will be going over those entries for that long trade that I'm going to show you guys. And even if it goes back down, you guys are on the profit. Again, this block is getting very, very, very strong. The block got strong back here, and it could not help itself but drop down very, very, very fast. Okay, I just want to keep you guys aware of this. Yes, it could keep going up, but let's go over now and talk about, like, this is really interesting too. We're trying to push back and get this market out of a death cross, and we're trying to push back out into a positive, I'll call it a life cross, if you will. Okay, now taking in all these metrics, I do still believe, and just statistically talking, this has a higher chance of moving down than moving up. So what are you going to do to take advantage of this if it does skyrocket or if it does move back down? Well, this is what I would be looking at, and you can literally do this right now if you want. Go up here and go over to the front page of tradeconfident.io and go to the Bitcoin live trading. This is the chart that you really need to be watching right here. Here is something you can do, and I'm going to give you guys all of these entries right now. If you believe that Bitcoin is just going to keep skyrocketing up here and go to the moon, you can enter a market order right now. What I trade here is a very simple strategy. I'm going to give you an example. For example, if I was trading $1,000, I would break it up into 4 equal portions at $250 each. What am I talking about here? What you do at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, guys, at 8 a.m., check it at 8:05, 8:10, it doesn't matter, whatever. Right at 8 and on, check it, that's when they update. Wherever the white line is, the first 4 yellow lines below the white line are the 4 buy limits you can put into your exchange. The first yellow line above the white line is the sell limit. You don't have to wait for that to get hit. You can use any of the metrics to exit in the profit or just exit in the profit whenever you want. But these are the buy limits in here. So what I would do for an example here is if you guys are expecting this to see a move back down like I am, just kind of get a nicer, healthier, higher low is what I'm calling in here. You guys can use this right now. You guys can do a buy limit in here at 36,761. The first buy limit. The second one can be put in at 34,824. The fourth at 31,535 and 27 cents. And then the fourth one will be down here at 24,922. 24,000 all the way down here, 24,000 right there. This is structure low. Okay, I have this on the chart here because I've been watching this. You want to have a trade this low and break your money up. This is what I call a catch-all trade. Yes, this could start moving back down very fast. So what you're going to do is if you want to do this, not financial advice, obviously entertainment purposes only for all of this, okay? I just got to make that clear. But if you want to enter in right now, you could actually, for example, if you have $1,000 you want to enter with Bitcoin right now, you could do a market order right now at the yellow line if you think this is going to go up. And then what you'll do is you'll use the next 3 yellow lines here for your buy limits. It's very simple, guys. For example, if 8 o'clock it comes out and it says 40,024 like it shows on here, again, this will update in an hour. If it showed here, you could market order right there. The next buy limit would be 36,761. The third would be 34,824, and the fourth would be 31,535. 31,005 would put you guys down about here. That is a lot of recovery the price can do to shoot back up in that amount of time. Putting all your money into expecting this to go up, that could happen. You could do well, but I do think this has more of a chance of moving back down, as I've been calling in the videos. To show you exactly what I am doing, I am not trading Bitcoin on this. I am trading Ethereum on this, and I have my buy limit set all the way down here for Ethereum. I have all my buy limits set all the way down for ADA. What are my buy limits? You want to know exactly what they are? Go to tradeconfident.io, click on Ethereum and ADA, and you'll see exactly what they are. I'll even show you a proof of here if you guys want to come over to this side and look at the open orders. Here's all my open orders for Ethereum. All my buy limits are set. All my buy limits are set for ADA as well, okay? Currently up $65 in the profit. That's awesome. Could we keep going up, guys? Yes, it's possible, but historical data shows that this has a higher % chance of moving down. So why not take advantage of both sides if you want? Get a market order in. Don't put all your money in, all your eggs in one basket, guys. All your eggs in one order. I already got filled and I got picked up on ADA and Ethereum already, $1.25 for ADA. I got picked up at $2,219 for Ethereum, and that is why I'm up right now. But I am always entering trades expecting it to go down, so I am prepared for the drop, and I will be getting better entries as the price goes down, okay? As the price goes down and your buy limits are hit, just as I talk about on this website here, as your buy limit gets hit, your dollar cost average entry will actually increase. As more buy limits are hit, your break-even entry will go down, giving you a more favorable position and a better risk-to-reward ratio. This is the best way to trade crypto, period. Grayscale trades like this, hedge funds trade like this, they dollar cost average into the dips because every time the price goes down, they get a better entry in the market. It is incredible, guys. Watch this video here and I'll explain everything very methodically again if you want, just of how to trade this. But there you guys go. There's a trade setup you can take right now today to take advantage of this. Again, I already got in down here at lower prices because I've already called that on the channel. And if we go up, great, I'm already in the market and I'll be making money with all of you guys if this heads up. But I do expect to see a little bit of a pullback down here, and you could pick it up on the dip as well. So giving you guys pulling out all the strategies today, all of the money-making tips in this video. So there you guys go. Go to tradeconfident.io. You see this setup for every single coin. I personally am not trading Bitcoin. I think the altcoins will pump even higher once we get a drop here and then move up even faster. That's where I'm making my money. Bitcoin doesn't move up as much. So if you guys want, subscribe over here. It's $49 a month. You get access to Ethereum, Doge, Cardano, Ripple, all of these if you want to take trades right now today. All right, guys, God bless you so much. Let's see what happens on the charts here, and I'll keep you guys updated. Bye, guys.